Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. This is Helen, and I am so excited to share this new unit that I got from Xrsbeauty. So of course, as always, we're going to go through this little fun box, see everything that's inside. It has a comb, duo brush, wig cap, and of course, they always send out these foam rollers, which are perfect for a heatless curl to your unit. All right, y'all, so let's get into the unit you've been waiting on. Look at this beauty right here. So I told you all I will be receiving a bob unit, and it's here. Beautiful. Love this natural brown color. And baby, this lace is everything. So this is the new clear lace that Xrsbeauty has to offer. You have a back lace and as well as the front all the way to the ear tabs. Now I want to show you up close how well and neat this hairline is. It's already pre-plucked for you. And the lace looks so good. There's no need for any foundation or concealer. All right, so let's go ahead and get this unit on. Oh, hold on. This new clear lace is everything. Everything. Oh, y'all. I just sat it on my head. It's not even glued on. Like, this is Xrsbeauty. I keep telling y'all, Xrsbeauty. Do y'all see this? This is amazing. So this is the clear lace. Okay, so let me comb some of this hair out because, you know me, I cut close to the edge line. So I have a few wispies I can feel that needs to come out for me cutting the hair. Oh, honey, we're going to have us a beautiful straight bob. Yep. All right, so let's get into this hair. Of course, this is Xrsbeauty, like I said, and they can go no wrong. I told y'all it's only a few companies I just really am rocking with right now, and this is definitely one of my favorites. I've been waiting for this hair. So I've been saying I wasn't sure about if I was getting my hair braided, what I was doing for my trip. And then when Xrsbeauty said they were sending out a bob, I was like, okay, so this is perfect. Because it won't be too hot and it still be hair and I can still, you know, dress it up, dress it down kind of thing. Yeah, definitely about to go ahead and lay this thing down. It came in right on time too. Like, right on time. All right, so let me go ahead and use the Got To Be glue because I want it on for the weekend. I'm probably going to leave it on. Then I'll wash it again before we leave. All right, so I'm just going to put a little mousse just so I can define my part. And I'm just going to tie it down a little bit while we go over this lace. I'm going to show y'all the difference in that clear lace I have on now and the clear lace and the transparent lace, so you can see the difference. I'm just using some regular mousse, nothing special. But I want to make sure my hairline is visible. Yeah. I'm warming up my hot comb too, so I should be able to flatten out these humps. They sent me this new clear lace, which y'all know I love the new clear lace, and I like the single knotted hair. Like, that is so bomb to me. Like, this hairline is just amazing. So I have the no clear lace, I have the new clear lace, and I have the transparent lace. You can kind of see the difference like this, to be honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like on my arm. That way we can get a little close up. So this will be the no clear lace. And I'll do some pictures and cut them in so you can see what it looks like. Once it's been like applied. So you can see this is the new clear lace, the transparent lace. You see the difference? how this has a little bit more grayer tone or whatever. But still, I mean, if you have to, you can just fill it in. But this just melts into my skin tone. All right, so this lace and this lace. You see the difference? Yeah, definitely can see the difference. I can see the difference. So I know y'all can see the difference. All right, so let me get this off of me, clean up my mess, and get to styling this new unit, friend. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all wasn't ready for this one. This right here is just, this is everything. All right, so let me just take this. I'm just going to take this and kind of get this hump out up here. That gel gets so freaking hard. Okay, so I'm done. Like, done. I just wanted a beautiful, silky, straight, looks like freshly pressed, silk pressed hair. That's all I wanted, like a straight bob. And that's what I got. So this is a 12-inch unit, 200% density, Xrsbeauty, of course. And I have to say, even though it's 200% density, it still feels like beautifully lightweight hair. It's not like really heavy and weighing down. I like this unit because it's the perfect length, like to reach my shoulders. So even though it's like a longer bob, it still isn't like extremely long hair. Like I'm not gonna get hot in this hair. You know what I'm saying? Easy to put on, great for first time buyers when it comes to units, because this is just easy. The lace is so good. There's no trying to manipulate lace like with powders, like the filler color powders or the style enhancing leg spray or your foundation or whatever, concealer. Like there's no need for it. Like this lace is great on its own. I will insert some footage here of the beginning when you saw me just show you glimpses of the lace and what it looks like on my skin, and then of course lay it on what it looks like. So this is definitely one that you can lay the lace in the front, the sides, and the back. So if you're interested in having this on for a while, I would definitely suggest laying the lace in the back. I hardly ever do, but for this upcoming trip, I just might. That way, this unit just will be on. And I'll probably braid my hair down and kind of sew like the top a little bit so it just stays in place. So if you've been with me for a while, you know I'm not one for a perfectly lined center part. I actually like it to be off just a little bit. I do not like this. I like it just to be off just a little bit, and then sometimes to the side. But I do like the fact that I have enough lace space where I can do a middle part and also on the sides if I want. Like this lace comes all the way out to about right here. I could literally do a side part all the way to here if I wanted to. I can show you that there. So yeah, it's perfect. Now, if you're like, you know, into like the curls and the big hair and whatever, definitely use the flexi rods with like a little mousse or maybe like a Lottie Body. Y'all remember that? Setting spray or setting lotion, and go ahead and throw you some curls. But girl, your girl just wants straight hair. Like this is just gorgeous to me. It's very classy. It's very classy, very like minimalist. Yeah, no brainer. I could just take my flat iron my hair, or just hot comb it straight like daily and keep it going. I love this. I love this. I can do a little bit with this. Definitely I can do a few things with this hair. So let me know your thoughts. Come on over to Instagram and hang out with me at Helen H Beauty, and let me know your thoughts on this particular unit or any Xrsbeauty unit that you've seen me do in the past. Y'all know I love Xrs. So and it's a pleasure working with them. I'm definitely grateful and appreciative that Xrsbeauty has sponsored this video on today, and I look forward to working with them again. But if I could say anything positive about Xrsbeauty, is that definitely beginner friendly. Definitely for those who are not great manipulators at like plucking lace coloring lace, like all things that the people do on the tube in regards to like manipulating and making it look like, you know, it's like what is it, like scalp, whatever. They do it for you. So I definitely appreciate that with Xrsbeauty. You definitely get your money's worth. So I will see y'all on the next video, and that is it for me. I'm about to head out. You'll see more videos coming up for me really soon, and you'll definitely see this unit being rocked on the ship. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.